So I'm going to show you how to do sculpture in willow, and I've got some buff willow sticks which I find is easier to make a start on the sculpture. These are willows that have had the bark taken off. They're more grippy than the ones with the bark on. So I'm trying to bend the willow so it goes into a curve. So I want a soft curve on the willow, and I do this by working my thumbs on it from the butt end. The tip ends are the thin ends and the thick ends are called the butt ends. So I'm making a very gradual circle. So if I show you there, holding the both ends, making it into a circle, and then what I do is to use the tip end and twist that through the circle one or two times. It's a bit like making a wreath in willow. So make one. I'm showing you how to make a ball first of all, but if I'm doing an animal sculpture it will be an oval, more of an egg shape. So if I make my second one similarly, and then I'm going to make a third one, and they get joined together, one each like that, and then one going round the other way. When I'm making animal sculptures, I think of the animals, different parts of the body, is like the head being one size, and then a body a bit larger. I'll give you some examples. This is the body of it's going to be a dog. So I'll just show you. And I've also got in the background, got a sheep in the background. Now I'm going to make a shape like this for the head. So I've made one long oval going one way, and then several going round the shorter circles going round. And if you notice, I've left a few long thick ends trailing out at the back, and these are going to be used to attach to the body. So if I show you, we will push these through, in and out through the willow here. You have to just find the right place for them to go, and then try it out and see whether it works. So, and this animal could be something with a long neck, or it could be a bird. We could make, there's lots of different animals that you could make, but whatever you feel you want to make. Once I've decided how long that neck shape is going to be, I'm just going to add more in that come from underneath its chin and round the bottom, and then weave round and round the neck, joining it together. So I hope you can see that. I'll just show you this sheep that I've got in the background. So this is work in progress, and I've tied the neck to the sheep, but obviously they're in two different colours, so I want to keep the white and the dark colour separately. So basically it's just stitched into the body, and then I'm just going to fill them up so that the colours are more solid. Yeah. And this beast has got, obviously it's got 4 legs that are different colours as well. So the leg goes up into the body, which has got to be hidden with a bit more white willow, and a little bit more detailing on the shape of the legs. Let's have a look at the back. So need a bit more detailing on the back, and a bit more to hide the joins from one colour to the next. So I hope you have a good weave.